What if you could own a business built around smiles, repeat customers, and a recession-resistant service families always need? Sharkey's Cuts for Kids is a children's hair salon franchise designed specifically for kids ages 0 to 14, delivering a fun, memorable haircut experience families return to again and again. This is not a traditional salon. Every location is built around entertainment and experience, with themed styling chairs, gaming stations, movies, and a premium environment that keeps kids excited and parents loyal. With more than 200 locations and over 2 decades of brand development, Sharkey's Cuts for Kids has created a proven system focused on consistent demand and strong community presence. Franchise owners benefit from multiple revenue streams, including haircuts, birthday parties, retail products, and specialty services, all supported by turnkey setup, training, and ongoing support. This is a scalable model with strong brand recognition and built-in repeat business driven by families in every market. The initial total investment starts at $197,415,000. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add Sharkey's Cuts for Kids to your top picks and request the info pack now.